Hey everyone, I'm Sarah with WTI. After a long day on my feet, or if I'm by the pool or by the beach, I really appreciate a stable, comfortable pair of sandals. These are OOFOS recovery slides. They are unisex, and I have them in women's size 10 in the color black. Here's a few reasons why I find these shoes to be very comfortable for my feet. I have very wide feet, and so this extremely wide, comfortable toe box means that my toes have lots of room. If my feet swell a little bit, there's still room. They are also flexible, very flexible on the toe, and a little bit stiffer throughout the rest of the foot with a lot of firm cushioning. So when you step down on these, they don't just collapse completely. They are firm, yet they give you a good amount of cushioning and support. The fact that they float is also great if you're going to be wearing them around the water, and they may slip off, and they are waterproof, so you can wear them from the water and out of the water, but they still have great traction because that bottom of the shoe has a great sole on it with lots of traction. So you're not going to slip around even if the conditions are wet. They would be great for that, for the gym. Also, the fact that they have so much support in that extra wide area here in the toe box means that they're not going to be uncomfortable for me. These are definitely a recovery shoe, which means that at the end of a very long day, these are the shoes that I reach for to give my feet some comfort and a break from everything they've been going through. So I highly recommend these. These are very comfortable and durable for a lot of situations. And that is my point of view.